Hi everyone, my name is Ezra. I'm from Kanan Junior High School grade 8C, and in this video, I will tell you my story called Unforgettable Moment of My Life. Before that, I will explain what is the definition and the purpose of recount text. Recount text is a text that recounts events, or experience in the past. The purpose of recount text is to provide information or entertain the reader so there is no conflict. Recount text has three structures. They are orientation, event, and reorientation. Okay, back to the story. 1 year ago, when I was in 7th grade, I went camping with my friends and my teachers to the Tamyang Hills. We took 90 minutes to go there. We arrived to the hill's entrance gate at 5 p.m. and then we must climb 2 kilometers more to reach the top of the hill. And in the middle of the trip, my asthma relapsed. Fortunately, my asthma recovered quickly, so I can continue my trip after my asthma recovered. After reaching the top of the hill, we immediately built a tent because it was getting late. After that, we can gather together, sang together, ate snacks together, and we can talk to each other. We really had fun there. We were chatting until midnight. After that, I checked my phone and it's midnight, and then I rushed into the tent and slept. In the morning, I immediately woke up, came out of the tent, and my friends immediately took me to a good photo spot. I took some photo there, and after we returned to the tent and we have a breakfast. After we had a breakfast, we immediately tidied up our belongings and we folded the tent back. After finished packing, we immediately rushed home and we descended the hills safely. I'm very happy to be camping with my friends and my teachers. This is the best camping I ever done. I hope you enjoy it. God bless us. Bye.